In a bright, happy jungle lived Polly, a smart green parrot who could talk like people. Polly loved copying words, laughs, and funny sounds. One sunny day, Monkey Max was playing near Farmer Ben's apple basket. Oops! Crash! The basket broke, and apples rolled everywhere. Polly saw everything. Her heart fluttered. Should she tell the truth? Polly took a deep breath and squawked, "Monkey Max broke the basket." Monkey Max felt sad and said, "I'm sorry." Together, they fixed the basket and shared the apples with friends. Farmer Ben smiled and said, "Honesty makes everyone happy." Polly flapped her wings proudly, knowing truth is always the best choice. Moral: always tell the truth.